Welcome to Stanley with the 3Fs, food, fragrance, and fitness. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about Chanel 1957. This is more of my thoughts of a review. I'll refer to my computer a little bit around some of the notes, but really just my thoughts of Chanel 1957. Just going into some of the boutiques. It's on, it's definitely from the at least exclusive line, and so you have to go into a boutique to pick this one up. Smells great, lasts a very, very long time. It's become one of my favorites. I know I say that a lot, but I'm really starting to really fall in love with the way Chanel perfumes wear on my body and how long they last, and then just the compliments that I do get, and then just very relaxing, great scent just to wear in the office, around the house, casual day out, but anytime, summer, winter, fall, spring, any season. Just a great one to add to your collection. Of course, beautiful bottle, has that Chanel DNA. And when you think about 1957, especially with Olivier Polge, it's the day of her birth, which is 19. And then 57 is one of the biggest stores in New York, so 57th Avenue. So, if you never tried any of the Chanel, go by a boutique, pick up a couple samples. Just smells great, and you will fall in love with it. It embodies the spirit and signature of the heart of every Chanel fragrance that is out there. It's a kind of like a sexy, sensual accord of White Musk. Has a little bit of a floral note to it, some Irish, a woodsy note of cedar, a powdery accent, and a hint of honey. Like all of that stuff all into one. And then when you think about that statement, it just settles down really, really well. Great scent, great smell, great for any occasion. If you try it, it will definitely be one of your signature scents that you will have in your collection. I wear it. I love the cap and the top, but 1957 has been, one of my favorites, one of my go-tos. It's for men and women, but I wear it a lot. That powdery fresh dies down, and it just comes through. I mean, when you start to think about the notes, and you get that White Musk, you get that Bergamot, you get that Irish, you get that Norelli, you get the cedar, you get the powdery notes, and then you get that honey. It's game changing. It's a game changer. So when you try it, you will love it. Definitely leave me a comment to let me know that you've tried this one. I always talk about picking up samples before you buy, especially in this environment. But I'll go through my rating. Scent wise, 1 out of 10. I give it about a 9. I love it. I absolutely wear it all the time. You can see that I've been using it a lot. Longevity on my skin, I layer it, not very much. A couple sprays go a long way. About an 8 and a half. Sillage, I'd give it a, it's not out in your face, or it's not just a long trail, but the sillage and the trail is around an 8 and a half too. It's great, but it's a nice reminder that you were there, not that you're coming or all in your face. And so just great. Of course, beautiful Chanel bottles, so you never go wrong there. So just a good fragrance to have. Your better half will love it. You can also share it because it's a great scent for ladies. But it's a good one to try. It's a good one to add to your collection. as you build out your collection around fragrances. You know, like I mentioned before, I have about, you know, I guess 300-400 bottles. I've been buying colognes for about, I guess now about 30 plus years. And so I really enjoy great scents, great fragrances. 1957 is definitely one you need to add to your collection. So if you like this video, hit the like button below. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. And then leave us a comment. We'd love to know what you think about Chanel or any other fragrance that you have in your collection. Have a great day. Thank you.